So you asked me if AI will replace human coaches. The question of whether AI will replace human coaches is complex, given the overlap between coaching and therapy and the growing evidence of AI's effectiveness in supporting mental health and personal development. Let's break this down into key areas: effectiveness, limitations, and future implications. AI has shown promising results in therapy contexts, which can be extrapolated to coaching. For instance, a study on Therabot, a therapy chatbot, found a 51% average reduction in depression symptoms over 8 weeks. This suggests AI can deliver significant benefits in a short time, especially for accessibility. In coaching-specific studies, AI has demonstrated effectiveness in goal attainment, achieving significant increases, suggesting scalability and cost-effectiveness. However, AI is unlikely to fully replace human coaches. Human connection remains vital, offering empathy, intuition, and adaptability for complex cases, which AI cannot replicate. An unexpected finding is that AI could actually democratize coaching, making it more accessible, potentially increasing demand for human coaches for more personalized needs. This hybrid approach could redefine coaching, blending AI's efficiency with human depth, and that's where I am focusing. Interested in how you can incorporate AI into your coaching practice? DM me to learn more about embracing this hybrid model.